Hello friends, how you guys doing today? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Here is a quick tutorial on how I made my hair look shorter on the day that I missed my shorter hair. Starting on a freshly washed hair, no comb is needed. I did not use comb. I use a good old fingers to section my hair to size. Using one of my hair products I got at a discounted price from Marshall's, applying a good size and working into my hair. With a combination of my mixed oils. Finger detangled and 2-strand twist it up. And I use a palm roll to roll it up. For the front, I bantu knot after the 2-strand twist. This allows my hair to stay shorter in the front. When I take it down, it's going to look shorter. When I was done with my hair, I went about my business for the day. And the next day, my hair is ready to take down. I have to feel it to make sure it's dry, because then I will not be able to achieve what I need to achieve if I take it down too early or if it's still damp. Using a little bit of oil in my fingers to help with the takedown. Separating time. Don't everybody like the separating time? I just think that's a lot of work. Whenever I miss my short hair, I often go for this because it allows me to be able to go back and enjoy my hair looking like this without really cutting my hair. If you like this video and it helped you in any sort of way, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.